Hello everyone, and welcome back to Teshingani family. Thank you guys for always supporting me. I really appreciate continue being there for me. For those one who are watching this for the first time, uh, feel welcome. And this is Teshingani. Stay tuned. Watch my video, guys, and remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. So I have been cleaning. I had already cleaned my clothes, but I didn't hang it out because I had to do 1, 2, 3, as you understand the situation whereby you are at job. So let's hang them and let's go and pluck some lemon. Let's do it together. So I've come to take this lemon. They are very high. Oh my goodness. What will I do? This one is very small, but I need somehow matured. It's very small. And this one is very small. Just need something big. Oh my goodness. This. Somehow this is so good. So let's look another one. Look at this one. Small also. Now what should I do? Mm, oh my goodness. Oh, thank you. Get another one. And this is very big. No, this one are enough. This one are enough for me.